Hello guys, happy new year to you. I know that it's late, but si tunasema happy new year up to the end of maybe February. So welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And I just wanted to come here to appreciate everyone who has recently subscribed and even those ones who have been on my channel for a long time. Thank you guys so much. So today we are going to do a routine video. So we are going to be doing like a morning routine, but I don't think this is a morning routine because it literally took me hours to do everything. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, and even as you support me, please, right now I'm eligible for monetization, so you can send me a super chat, super likes. I'm waiting for my pin, and once I do get my pin, then we will be good to go. So guys, thank you so much, and I hope that you enjoyed this video today. Keep supporting me, and God bless you so much. So this is my living room, and we start this video by sorting it out. So the clothes you see are for a client. So I recently started a laundry business, and it's been picking up well, I thank God. And so these are some of the clothes that my clients had, and then I had some shopping. I slept in the living room too. So yeah, I did not have a visitor, ni mimi too. So I'm gonna start by sorting out everything in this room, and yeah, and then we go to the next room. But I've been going tired again and time again. I hope that you will see my heart too. But you don't remember me like I remember you. Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. Which pads are you guys using? So I had soft case, but I don't know, all the brands are bad, so I said let me try out this new model before iharibike. I don't know if it's good, but it's a little bit short if you like them big. And I also now got some shopping done because it's January, lazima tununue githeri masala. Beef masala ni ya confuse mboga. Then here are some more spices. So I got a couple of other things, and I wanted to use this nature plain yogurt to start my yogurt culture, but it backfired. So yeah, I'll try just the normal Delamere yogurt. It gives me good results. And then I got cereals because it's also January and we are trying to keep fit and drop the calories that we got over the holiday. Yeah, and so this total shopping, this whole shopping of mine costed me about 2,500 shillings, and that is it for my January shopping. I don't think I'll be needing any more shopping until maybe next month, and this is for one person only, so it should suffice. Searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. If I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried. Only I have heard somewhere it being recommended that we should use lavender products to discourage cockroaches from our houses. So that's what I'm gonna try, because of late I have been seeing an increased number of cockroaches in my house, and I just don't understand where they come from. So I bought this Fisher, it's like a disinfectant. It costs about 122 shillings, like a small pack. So I'm gonna try it out, and over time I'll give feedback on how it goes. But I love how it smells. So then we go to the kitchen area, and this is what we have. I had just taken these things here, and of course my sink had a full dirty utensil, so we're gonna clear this up too. Then I fixed these curtains for my friend. They were too long and she wanted me to split them up, and that's what I did next. Then I used this pressure cooker to cook some githeri, and I also made some maize and some duma. So if you want a review of this, I think I'll do it in one of my videos. So after a couple of hours of cleaning and washing, this is what we have. There's a segment that I forgot for washing, but I guess we shall do it next time. This is how my living room looks like. It's arranged and it looks really nice to me. So yeah, that's all that matters. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also remember to give this video a thumbs up. It goes a long way in pushing the algorithm for me. So guys, asanteni sana, God bless you so much, and see you in my next video.